Hi everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Katie with John Henry's, and today I'm ready to talk to you about Easter meats, and specifically going to talk about our bone-in hickory smoked hams. The ham is cut from the leg of the pig. The skin is removed at the smokehouse, and then it is brined and smoked for several days. The smoking process is what gives it that rich, smoky flavor, as well as the nice pink color that you'll see. Our hams are fully cooked when you receive them, so they can be served chilled, or they can be heated and sliced, or my personal favorite is to be heated fully where the meat is actually just falling off the bone. And that's what I'm going to show you today, is how to cook this ham in the crock pot where it's just falling off the bone. So our bone-in hams come in a variety of sizes. You can actually order them to be cut by our butcher anywhere from 5 to about 15 pounds. We also offer a boneless option, which can be cut from 4 to 9 pounds. And that actually is just this bone-in ham with the bone removed, and then it is netted and smoked. So it's the exact same ham that you would get as in a bone-in version, but it is boneless. We also offer ham slices and cottage hams. Cottage hams are also a ham because it is smoked and it's brown and it looks like ham and it'll taste like ham, but it's actually not cut from the leg of the pig. It is actually cut from the port shoulder. So you will see a lot more marbling in a cottage ham. So depending on what size of gathering you're having or how many people you're feeding, we have lots of different options so that you can have ham to feed all of your guests. I do want to also let you know that if you're trying to decide how we should do serving sizes when you're ordering a ham, we recommend a half a pound per person. So now that we've got all of those particulars out of the way, let's get cooking and I will show you how easy it is to prepare this ham in the crock pot. Cooking one of our smoked hams could not be any easier. We're actually going to just put it in the crock pot, and I do recommend that you put it in face down because what we want to happen is we want all of the moisture to stay locked into the ham. So we're going to put it in face down. We're going to add 2 cups of water to this ham. We want to add a little bit of water because it's basically going to steam it with the juices. Okay, now that there's about 1 inch of water in my pan, I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on. All right, now I'm going to set the timer on my crock pot. And since my ham is 6 pounds, I'm going to go up to 6 hours. And I'm going to cook it on low. All right. It's ready to go, and my ham is just going to be cooking, and I will be back to show you the finished product. Now, if you're enjoying these recipes and these videos, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see a recipe and how we cook these hams, maybe you'd like to cook it in the crock pot or the oven, or you'd like to try another recipe that we have on our recipe corner, you can see the link in the description below. All right, I'm back and the ham is done in the crock pot. So let's go ahead, take that out of the crock pot. I'll bring it over here and get to show you exactly what it looks like when it's done and just falling off the bone. Okay. Oh my goodness, it smells so delicious. That amazing hickory smoked smell is great. I cannot wait to eat this for dinner tonight. I actually am going to move this to a platter so that I can actually show you how it is falling off the bone. A lot of people are used to hams that maybe are spiral sliced or that they slice themselves while they are chilled, but this is just the best way to have ham, I think. I love it that it's so juicy, so tender, falls off the bone, and is so, so good. All right, let's move this ham to my platter for display. Some of the things I like to do when I have leftover ham is to make a potato soup. Whoa! As you can see, it is falling off the bone. So tender, so juicy. Oh my goodness, doesn't that just look amazing? But I love to make a potato soup, and I actually boil the potatoes in the ham bone, and it works really, really well. Gives you all sorts of flavor and everything like that. So I definitely recommend saving those leftovers if you have leftover ham, which with my family is rare. If we're cooking this for Easter dinner, I probably won't have leftovers unless I order a big one. Like usually I have to go for a pound a person if I'm wanting to have leftovers of our ham. So here you can see, super tender. Look at that. Falls off the bone, so amazing. So now you can display it with some greenery or maybe some Easter eggs, whatever you're feeling for your family gathering. So I know you guys will love this recipe. It's super, super easy to put it in the crock pot, turn it on low, and I really can't wait to hear what you think. So thank you so much for watching this video and for supporting our farm. Our hams are, oh, hang on. Okay, I'm just going to say that again. What am I going to say? Hang on.
You're asking the wrong guy.
I know. I was like, oh my gosh. I had this whole idea planned out in my head and it just leaves me. We recommend that you choose to order a ham that will be, oh, hang on. Let me try that again. Anywhere from 5 to about 15 pounds. We also have, I was flowing so good, doggone it.